Everyone, good evening. This is Jumar from GPE Farms. So right here, we just decided to delete our Facebook uh, account since dito sa GPE Farms. It's because we have already an account, Facebook page account, and it is very hard for us to manage na kasi nagkakaroon tayo ng shortage sa ating tawag natin dito staff. So ito but before that we will check the Google. Papatulong tayo kay Google. Ayan, ito how to delete FB account. At ito ang pinaka the best na nakikita ko. So we've tried several times, no? Kaso dito sa taas magkaiba yung ito another way din ito. First is to open Facebook and log in, check your profile picture and top right corner, select settings and privacy, then yan. But I tried this one pero hindi siya gumana. So dito naman tayo sa ikalawa. Ito. First, check natin ang profile, then top right of Facebook, then scroll down, settings, privacy. Check muna natin. Ito na ang profile, then top right, settings and privacy. Ito na, top right, settings and privacy. Lalabas yan. Click natin, settings. Hindi. Check natin. Ayan. Settings and privacy, then account center. Yan. Lapit natin. Settings and privacy. Dito. Then sa left corner, makikita natin ang let's check. Susunod. Personal details. Ito. Yan. Kita na natin personal details. And then account ownership and control. Account ownership wala, pero check natin accounts. Wala rin. Personal details. Ayan. So account ownership and control. Check. Yan. Tapos stop deactivation or deletion. Ito na. Charan! Then click na yung name ng Facebook na gusto mong i-delete. Yan. Then deactivate account. Ito yung temporary deactivation. But if you want to permanently delete, ito yung kailangan mo. In our case, ito yung kailangan natin. Yan. Then click continue. Then continue. Yan, sa ating password na. Secret lang yung password natin. For a moment. Yan. Check natin kung tama ba. Yan. So, bye-bye! Click na natin delete account. Yan! Tapos na delete. And maglalagin na naman tayo sa isang account. Yun lang guys. Thank you very much. God bless. Babu!